on this question here, just word problem, slope intercept form, and it is basic setup. It's not asking for us to solve anything. So I have a hot air balloon that is 20,000 feet above. So I'm going to kind of highlight there, 23, and it's descending at a rate of 1,500 feet per minute. And wants to write which function. Oh, I put airplane, but it's a hot air balloon. So let's take a look. What do I know? Well, I know it's descending. So descending is going to tell me that that is a negative at a rate of 1,500 per minute. That's our slope right there. Okay, so our slope is a negative 1,500. And what else do I know? I know that currently where I'm starting, this is my starting point at 20,000. So let's put this into slope-intercept form. So y equals my slope is negative 1,500 x, and then my starting is at 20,000. I'm going to look at my answer choices. And the only answer choice that makes sense here is my B. I have a slope of negative 1,500 and a y-intercept of 20.